What's going on, YouTube? This is the Passive Income Trucker coming back at you today with another video. And before I start this video, I do want to apologize. It's been a couple of days since I uploaded a video. I was trying to do some on my phone and I ran into some issues that I'm still kind of working out, but I'm back and I'm going to do everything within my power not to ever not upload at least one video every single day. And let's get right into this one. My disclaimer: the information I present to you is my opinion and my opinion alone and not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. The parties watching these videos should assess the risk and do their own due diligence before investing in anything that I suggest or anyone else. Do your own research and make your own decision. I cannot guarantee your results. I can only show you mine, which is due to the work that I put in. Now, let's get right into the reason for this video, which is I'm just showing you guys an update on what's been going on with my Qubit Life account. And as you can see, my wallet balance is $87.67. And I've been doing the plan that I said I was going to do in one of my videos. I've just been buying a license every week and adding like one digital license for $100 every single week to my account. And that's pretty much my strategy. And now I have about $87 in here, and it's pretty much over the course of 30 days. Now I also have it's probably not going to show right there. Let me see if it'll show down here. The rewards, it's probably showing somewhere else. It's showing like 21 pages because I have a couple of licenses. I don't know when it was on there, but I actually opened up two more other accounts. And when I opened up those two other accounts, it gave me a percentage of those as well. So that's how I got up to the $87. And once my account gets to $100, what I'm going to do is I'm going to instead of withdrawing, I'm just going to buy another digital license. I'm pretty much all in on Qubit Life. As I said in my intro, that's pretty much how I'm going to do it. You don't have to do it that way. It's up to you, and you assess the risk for your own situation. Now, once my account hits $100, I'm going to activate another license. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on adding licenses until I get to where I can upgrade one of my older digital licenses to $500. And the way I plan on doing that is I'm going to keep on adding licenses every single week until I get close to being able to get maybe like $400 in that week. And once I do that, I'll just upgrade my next digital license, one at the bottom, and bring it up to 500. I'll just keep doing that, each digital license under it, until I rank them all up. And that's just my plan. I mean, I'm also working on some other things behind the scenes. Well, I'm some marketing information, some marketing info, some marketing things that I'm putting on with this. Now, I think my other promo has ended where I was giving away a $100 digital license for whoever joined. That's pretty much, I think that's going to be over by in the next couple of days if it hasn't been already. And this is just my update, guys. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the video down below. Thank you for watching today's video, and I am out.